All right, quickly this morning, as you can see, I'm not really fully awake. We're going to give you the Brosna slide. So we'll go kind of phrase by phrase. I'll play the tune first, and then we'll come back and we'll talk about it. All right, so now we can go phrase by phrase, for those of you who still need that. So, now we're playing two G's there. I'm using a cut. This finger here is dividing that G into two notes, but I could go, I could use a tap, I could use my throat, little, what would be, not quite sure what the right word for guttural, I think. You use your tongue. Those all sound a little different. So we'll play that phrase again. Notice that is built on an arpeggio and a D chord. So once you recognize that, you'll hear those sorts of things, and it's easier to memorize a tune. So. So there's your first full phrase. Now it's a slide, so the phrases are happening over 12/8 time instead of 6. So the next part is, that's familiar. So the second half is a lot like the first, but it just ends a little differently. Again, for this is, I guess it'd be the second 2 bars instead of 4. So that's the A part. We'll play through it real slow. Now the B part is largely just kind of rolling down the hill and coming back up. It's really fun. See that arpeggio it again at the end? With one little note in there to adding to the chord. So again. Oh, I feel a little more awake. That's a good way to start the day. Bye-bye.